Two powerhouse platforms, Drift versus ServiceNow. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, Drift, conversational AI tailored for sales and marketing. And on the right, ServiceNow, the robust enterprise workflow automation platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, quick look at our mind map. Here's everything we'll be comparing. Primary focus, pricing, AI capabilities, use cases, integrations, user experience, and reporting and analytics. So grab a coffee, settle in, because we're going to run through each of these. So first up, primary focus. Drift lives and breathes conversational marketing. It's all about that live chat game, chatbots, and qualifying leads like a champ. If your team cares mostly about nailing those customer convos, this is basically what Drift does best. Now, ServiceNow takes a totally different route. Think enterprise workflow, IT service management galore, and an ecosystem that's built for handling complex processes. It's honestly like using a Swiss Army knife versus a laser pointer. But here's the thing, if you need both marketing muscle and complex IT workflows, well, both are honestly expert level in their core zones. So this one's a tie. All right, pricing. This is where things get interesting. Drift's got more wallet-friendly vibes, especially if you're part of a small or mid-sized business. Their pricing tiers are pretty flexible, so you can kinda scale with your team. Plus, no need to break the bank just to run chatbots. Sure, some premium features bump up the price, but it's still not crazy. ServiceNow? Oof. Now we're talking enterprise budgets. It's loaded with features, don't get me wrong, but it's way pricier and honestly demands a bigger spend. If you just want live chat, this is like buying a rocket when you only need a bike. So, for pricing, Drift snagged this round. AI capabilities, that's buzzword city, right? Drift's AI is seriously smart when it comes to automating chats, capturing leads, and intelligent routing. If you're setting up a chatbot for sales, Drift kinda nails it. So yeah, you'll need to prep those FAQs. And it doesn't really go much beyond conversation stuff. ServiceNow, though, here's something cool. This has generative and agentic AI, virtual agent capabilities, and can automate whole end-to-end workflows. You can even get it to handle IT service tickets with what feels like magic. Ride comes with more setup and complexity. But if you're into power features, ServiceNow wins, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Drift was actually acquired by SalesLoft in early 2024 to build a unified revenue orchestration solution. Talk about shaking up the market. So, use cases. Drift's all about sales lead generation, getting those website visitors engaged, watching metrics on who's talking to your bots, and generally making your customers love you. But if you're hoping to run IT tickets or manage internal issues, it's not really designed for that. ServiceNow, though, yep, here comes the ITSM powerhouse, does everything from help desk to workflow automation to customer service management. Maybe a bit much if you just want marketing chat, but it's a beast if you need all that enterprise muscle. So for the win, ServiceNow takes it. Integrations time! Drift is, honestly, great if you're syncing up with sales tools or pushing notifications to Slack. It's got your basic CRM hookups for teams that run light. But you might notice, kinda limited on deeper enterprise stuff, especially if you're touching the IT world. ServiceNow, on the other hand, is wild. A whole third-party app jungle, CMDB magic, endless ways to connect all your business apps. It does need more technical muscle to set up, but you can pretty much integrate anything you can dream up. Winner here is no contest. ServiceNow. User experience. This is where Drift shines, honestly. It's just smooth, super intuitive. Your whole team will pick it up fast, setup's a breeze, and it's genuinely nice if you want folks onboarding quickly. It does sacrifice some hardcore customization, but sometimes simple is elegant. ServiceNow, well, there's a lot packed in there, but get ready for a learning curve. You'll get super organized ticketing and knowledge management once you master it, but be prepared to spend some hours figuring it all out. So if you're looking for a platform that feels easy and welcoming, Drift, absolutely. Now, let's wrap with reporting and analytics. Drift's approach is decent. It gives you metrics for lead engagement, basic conversation analytics, and reporting that works okay for SMBs. But if you want deeper analytics or enterprise-level reporting, it can feel a bit basic. ServiceNow is, quite literally, built to flex in this area. Advanced analytics, priority-based suggestions, alerts for stuff like ETA. Honestly, it's almost too much data. You can get lost in the configuration, but if analytics is your jam, ServiceNow totally dominates. If you want a visual snapshot of the whole showdown, here's how the scores stack up. Drift tends to shine for teams with simpler needs, especially those who need fast, friendly interfaces for sales and marketing. ServiceNow beats out the competition for feature-heavy, enterprise use cases, especially anything involving IT or complex automation. All right, final thoughts. Drift is basically a dream if you're all about conversational AI and boosting sales or marketing engagement. ServiceNow is the one to beat for enterprise teams who need full ITSM, workflows, and mega reporting. So, if you want streamlined customer convos, go Drift. If you need powerhouse back-office automation, ServiceNow is your winner. Need help choosing the right platform? Seriously, don't leave it to chance. Compare more tools to find your perfect